Hi everyone, this is Smriti. Welcome to QA automation classes. In the last class, we have seen how to resolve a PR, how to resolve a merge conflict before raising a PR. Okay, so today we are going to look into the rebase concept. Okay, so what exactly is this rebase? Okay, so if you see merge, what merge does, so we have changes in one branch and we are merging those changes to the our base branch or the master branch. Okay, in our case the base branch was the master branch, so we are trying to merge the code from our feature branch to the master branch or the base branch. Similarly, instead of doing the merge, we can go with the rebase, but there is some fundamental difference between the merge and rebase. Okay, so let's see. I'll graphically show you how exactly the merge and the rebase works. Okay, so let's say, okay, so we have our one branch. Let's say we have our master branch. Okay, this is our master branch first commit. Okay, on the first commit, on top of that, let's say there is one more commit. Okay, this is our second commit. Okay, and then on top of that, let's say we have one more commit. Okay, this is our third commit. I can rename that was C1, C2. Okay, and here we have C3. So three commits are there on our master branch. So let's say from the second commit. Okay, let me do write it all the way left side. Okay, so let's say this is commit 1, this is our commit 2, and this is our commit 3. Okay, so let's say from the commit 2 we have taken out another branch. Okay, so let's say this is our B1 branch. Okay, and this branch B1 will have few commits. Let's say here we are having the commit 1. Okay, branch 1 commit 1 B1 C1, and similarly let's say we have one more commit over here. Okay, so this is the graph. We need to understand this one, guys. So let's say this is one more commit B1 C2, second commit we have. Okay, so now this is the state. So if you see the current state, the branch, the in the log, if you see, so we have a mainline master. On the master we have three commits, C1, C2, and C3. So when we had C2 commit, right, so in this C2 commit we took another branch, we cut another branch from the master, and this is the B1. Let's say the name of the branch is B1, and on the B1 we did some commit, like commit 1 and commit 2 we did. So now if you see, we can do a merge. Okay, so in merge what happens, so here if you see, we'll go here. Okay, let's say this will be our merge commit. Okay, so let's do this one. So from this here we'll have a commit here. So this is nothing but this is our merge. Okay, so this is our merge. So if you see this, right, so this is what happens in case of merge. Okay, so this is how the merge works. So we have the different commits in the different branches, and here I just specify aim for merge. Okay, so this is the C1, C2, C3, three commits in the master branch, and then we cut out a branch from the C2, and we had the few more commits there. When we are merging these two, and we're having a merge commit. So this is not linear, first of all, right? When you are having, right, when you are merging, this is non-linear. Okay, but in rebasing what exactly happens, so in the rebasing, when you are going to rebasing, so you will have something like your first commit C1. Okay, C1, then on top of that you will have another commit C2, on top of that we'll have another commit C3, and those two master branch commits, right, again on top of this you are going to have. Okay, so you can have your B1 C1. Okay, this commit, and on top of that you can have your B1 C2. Okay, like this we can have the commit. Okay, all those five commits will be there. There won't be any merge commits, so these individual commits will be placed one after another in a linear fashion. Okay, so this one, if you see, this is concept of the rebasing, which we will see now. Okay, this is rebase. Okay, this is rebase, and this is merge. If you see, this is our merge. Okay, hope you guys are clear what is merge and what is rebase. Okay, so in rebase and merge, both the way we are combining the code from the feature branch to the base branch. Okay, and in the merge we are going to have a non-linear history and we are going to have a merge commit, but in the rebase we are going to have a linear history and linear commit. Okay, hope this is clear, right? So we need to see this in action with the some real-time example. Okay, so if you want to go with the definition, you can say if we want our feature branch to be in sync with the master branch, then we can rebase the master, right? Yeah, so we can go to our feature branch, we can right click on the master and say there is option, we can say rebase current into the selected. That we are going to see when you go to the IntelliJ. Okay, if while rebasing, if there are any conflict, we have to manually resolve that. Okay, we have already seen how to resolve the conflicts, right? So let's go to the IntelliJ and we can start looking into the example. Okay, maybe in the next session I'll show you the example. So this is the theoretical part, so we have to keep in mind what is the difference between the merge and what is the difference between the merge and rebase. In merge it's non-linear and rebase it is linear commits. Okay, so that's all to the introduction to the rebase. So we'll see the practical example in the next session. Thank you guys.